Let's solve this equation together. It says root x over x is equal to 8. Okay, so how do we solve for x? Now the first thing to do here is to square both sides of this equation. So we have root of x over x all squared to be equal to 8 squared. Alright, now root of x squared is equal to root of x times x all over x squared to be equal to 8 squared is 64. Alright, and this becomes equal to x times x is x squared square root all over x squared to be equal to 64. Root of x squared is x, so we have x all over x squared to be equal to 64. Okay, hence we have 64x squared to be equal to x. Alright, so solving this, we have 64x squared minus x is equal to 0. Let's factorize. So we have x into 64x minus 1 is equal to 0. Alright, so when the product of two things are equal to 0, like this times this is equal to 0, it's either that this is equal to 0, so it's either that x is equal to 0, alright, or 64x minus 1 is equal to 0, implying that 64x, if you add 1 to both sides, will give you 1. Hence, x will be equal to 1 over 64. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 64. Alright? Now, let's substitute these answers for x in our initial equation and test for the correctness. From the equation that root of x over x is equal to 8. And we say that our x is equal to 0 or 1 over 64. First of all, if you substitute x as 0 in this place, you have this equation becoming undefined. Alright? So we'll rule out this answer. Now let's focus on this one. So we have root of 1 over 64 divided by 1 over 64. And this is equal to root of 1 over 64 times 64 over 1. Alright? This becomes equal to root of 1 over 64 is 1 over 8 times 64 over 1, which is equal to 8. Hence, our answer is the correct answer. Cheers.